Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting and challenging question from algebra. We have to evaluate 1 over x minus 2 whole power 18 plus 1 over 4 minus x whole power 18 if x square minus 6x plus 10 equal to 0. So let's get started by considering required expression is equal to e first. Now x cannot be equal to 2 as it is not satisfying quadratic equation, and x cannot be equal to 4. Denominators cannot be 0. Now we will write our quadratic x square minus 6x plus 10 equal to 0. I can split 10. I can write x square minus 6x. Then we can write 8 plus 2 is 10 equal to 0. Now we will consider these three terms of LHS and we will take plus 2 to the RHS. So we will write x square minus 6x. We can write minus 4x minus 2x. Then we have plus 8. And in RHS, now we will write minus 2. From first two terms of LHS, we will take x common out. So in the bracket, we will write x minus 4. From last two terms of LHS, we will take minus 2 common out. We will get the same bracket x minus 4 equal to negative 2. Now x minus 4 is overall common. So we will write x minus 4 times x minus 2 equal to negative 2. Now as per our expression, here we have 4 minus x and x minus 2. So x minus 2 is okay. But here we have x minus 4. So we will multiply our equation both sides by negative 1 so that we will get the same bracket 4 minus x. Now we will multiply these two brackets all together and we can write now 4 minus x times x minus 2 equal to minus 2 times minus 1 is 2. So this is our equation number 1. We will call equation 1. 4 minus x times x minus 2 equal to 2. Now we will consider our expression. So I will write here expression e equal to. Here it is. We will split numerator denominator. So 1 power 18 is 1 over x minus 2 whole power 18 plus 1 power 18 is 1 over 4 minus x whole power 18. Now we will take LCM. So we will write 4 minus x whole power 18 plus x minus 2 whole power 18 over, we'll write x minus 2 times 4 minus x whole power is 18 in the denominator. Now our equation 1 was x minus 2 times, this is our equation 1, 4 minus x equal to 2. So here we are going to put 2. So I will write our required expression e equal to 4 minus x whole power 18 plus x minus 2 whole power 18 divided by 2 power 18. Now we will consider, let us say 4 minus x equal to a and x minus 2 equal to b. So I can write our required expression a power 18 plus b power 18 over 2 power 18. So this expression we are going to evaluate. Now the turn of equation number 1 with our substitution. Let me write here 4 minus x times x minus 2 equal to 2. Now 4 minus x was a, so we will write a. X minus 2 was b, so we will write b. So our equation number 2 is ready. A times b is 2. Now we will write equation 3. We will add both. So we will write a plus b equal to 4 minus x plus x minus 2. So plus and minus x will be over. 4 minus 2 is 2. So we have two equations. A times b equal to 2. A plus b equal to 2. And we have to evaluate expression a power 18 plus b power 18 over 2 power 18. Now I will consider equation number 3. So I will write here a plus b equal to 2. We'll consider cubing both sides. So we will put power 3 both sides. Now we will apply a plus b whole cube identity. So we will write in LHS a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b equal to 2 cube is 8. Now we have equation number 2, a times b is 2, a plus b is 2. So we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3 times 2 times 2. We will write 12 equal to 8. Now we have to only subtract 12 from both the sides. We will get a cube plus b cube equal to 8 minus 12 minus 4. So a cube plus b cube is minus 4. Let me write here a cube plus b cube equal to negative 4. Again we are going to consider cubing both sides. We will write power 3. Power 3. Again we have to apply a plus b whole cube identity in LHS. But here a is a cube, b is b cube. So we have to write here a cube whole cube plus b cube whole cube plus 3 times a cube times b cube times a cube plus b cube equal to minus 4 cube minus 64. Now a cube whole cube will apply power rule or exponent property a power b whole power c equal to a power b times c. We will write a power 9 plus b power 9 plus 3 times. Here we will use exponent law. Then we can write ab whole cube and a cube plus b cube is minus 4 equal to minus 64. Now here we will use equation 2. ab is 2. So I can write a power 9 plus b power 9 plus 3 times 2 cube is 8 times minus 4 equal to minus 64. Or I can write a power 9 plus b power 9 minus 3 times 8 is 24. 24 times 4 is 96 equal to minus 64. Now we will add 96 to both sides. So we will write a power 9 plus b power 9 equal to 96 minus 64. So a power 9 plus b power 9 equal to 96 minus 64. We will get a power 9 plus b power 9 equal to 32. Now our required expression, if I will write, then it was a power 18 plus b power 18 over 2 power 18. So we have to consider a squaring of this equation once again. We will get a power 18 plus b power 18. Let's consider. So we will write a power 9 plus b power 9 whole square equal to 32 whole square. Let's apply a plus b whole square formula. In LHS, here a is a power 9. So we will write a power 9 whole square plus b power 9 whole square plus 2 times a power 9 times b power 9. This is 2ab term equal to 32 square is 1024. Now we can apply power rule and write here a power 18 plus b power 18 plus 2 times, we will write this is equal to ab whole power 9 equal to 1024. Now ab was 2. So we can write 2 times 2 raised to the power 9. I will write a power 18 plus b power 18 plus 2 times 2 power 9 equal to 1024. We can write a power 18 plus b power 18 plus 2 power 10 equal to 1024, or a power 18 plus b power 18, 2 power 10 is 1024 equal to 1024. Now we will subtract 1024 from both the sides. We will get a power 18 plus b power 18 equal to 0. So our required expression would be 0. A power 18 plus b power 18 over 2 power 18. Now in numerator we are going to write 0. Denominator is 2 power 18. So our answer will come out 0. E equal to 0. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.